folks, apparently I didn't read the directions. They took the little red machine out for its first test run yesterday, and apparently it shrunk. There wasn't even any rain. Well, actually we didn't shrink it. A few things we found out on our trip to the scales yesterday were, I believe I need to get a spacer for the tongue jack, because just at the end of the driveway it hits pretty good. And then we need to get that handle off there and get a socket on there. Get a battery operated 3/8 impact so we can run that up and down without banging on the tongue box every rotation. Other than that, it towed pretty good. The battery on the GoPro on the back of the truck died about 6 seconds after I turned it on. I didn't realize it, and so we didn't get any footage looking back on the trailer. But we went a little over 20 miles and it seemed to tow. You couldn't hardly tell it was there. There was a stretch of bad pavement where it did bounce back and forth a little bit. Okay, keys are becoming an issue. We've got the truck key, we've got the topper key, we've got the 3-latch key, we've got the trailer key, we've got the tongue box key, we've got the key to lock the toe link and the ball hitch. Those are both the same key. If we get a ball lock, we'll need a key for that, and we'll probably need a couple, or at least one latch key for each of the padlocks on the latch. So I'm definitely going to have to get a custodial keychain to keep track of all these. Our first road trip with the trailer. We're taking it for that weigh-in so we can get her registered. Check back with you in a bit. We had our celebratory breakfast. Here she is on her maiden voyage to be weighed. Here's our tow vehicle. And I got the trailer in the line, so don't bag on me too hard for parking the truck. We'll do a quick walk around. We'll be having the announcement of the winner of the Guess the Weight on Wednesday, next Wednesday. Okay, first shot back into the driveway. I'm going to let my son do the honors. Okay, for the update on the t-shirt giveaway, Guess the Weight contest, the winner will be announced Wednesday in a video. Okay, the length is 27 inches on this strut, and the collapse length is 14.92. So you subtract that, you get 12.08 times 0.85, comes up with 10 1/4. So I measured from the hinge out here to 10 1/4. So we'll be right here. And then the attach point arc is along this line. I believe if you go to the hinge point and extend that out. That will give you your attach point, and lower attach point. Bottom of the strut put in. We've got the top in on the driver's side. Now we're working on the passenger side. We've got the bottom mount in.